Hello, this is Motivational Monday with Milton, and today I want to talk to you about decisions. The decisions that we make. Do you realize the decisions you're making right now, may affect your family down the road, your children's children, the decisions that you're making? You see, we don't think often what the consequences are of the decisions we make. We just make decisions. Sometimes we make them unconsciously competent. In other words, we're not even thinking. Your decisions are critical to your future and to your success. Think about your decisions. Give them thought. Be a person that practices decision making, quality decision making, weighing cost, weighing principle, weighing pros, weighing cons, making quality decisions. Hey, listen, this week you're going to be asked to make some phenomenal decisions at family, at work, community, and life. But the decisions you make, you have to stand on them once you make them. Hey, listen, my name is Milton Hunt. Have a fantastic week. And remember, the decisions you make will shape your future.